Blessings everyone, blessings everyone. Welcome back, welcome back. Today we are making plantain porridge. And for our plantain porridge today we're going to use two green plantains. So here are our plantains. And so we are going to peel these plantains and we are going to cut them up. So guys, we are peeling the plantain now. Peeling the plantain, make sure you scrape off all these parts, because this part, let it stainy, feel stainy. So guys, in this pot we have 4 cups of water, and to that water we are going to add about half teaspoon of nutmeg and half teaspoon of cinnamon. Half teaspoon of salt, and we are going to allow it to boil for some time while we blend our plantain. So guys, in the blender here we have our plantain and we have 3.5 cups of water. So we are going to put a little more nutmeg, like a half teaspoon more nutmeg, and we are going to put half teaspoon cinnamon, and we are going to put half cup of flour, and we are going to blend. This is what the mixture look like, and so we are going to pour it out in the pot now. So we are going to pour in everything in the pot now and stir. You have to stir right away so it don't lump. And you're going to turn down the stove to low. And allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. But you're going to go in like every 3 minutes and stir, because you don't want it to lump. So after 20 minutes I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So guys, we're going in again to do a stir. Got it boiling on low. You just stir. It's a little thick, but don't worry about it. By the time you start putting in your milk and your other stuff, it will eventually loosen up. gone about 15 minutes already, so I'm going to give it 5 more minutes. So we are going in now with some evaporated milk. About a cup of evaporated milk. See guys? No lumps, no lumps. We're going in with some vanilla. We're going to put about a cork full of vanilla because the condensed milk that we have it have nutmeg and it have vanilla inside of it. We're going to put a cork full of rose water. We're going to go in with about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And remember, you don't have to use the sugar, you can use whatever sweetener you want to use. And lastly, we are going in with our Betty condensed milk, and it having cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg. And we're going to use about a cup of that. You can sweeten to your taste. And remember guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below and share our video. So this is the finished product. Rich plantain porridge.